Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate. And the topic of the debate, I am going to tell these students on the spot. I am telling, and topic I will tell you first. I would like to tell you that this team sitting on my right is from 2 o'clock batch, and the team which is sitting on my right, on my left, is from 9 o'clock batch. And the topic on which they have to do debate is actually they don't know the topic. On the spot I am giving, and topic is topic is topic is government job versus private job. And this team which is sitting on my right will speak in the favor of government job, and team which is sitting on my left will speak in the favor of private job.
Today we all have a debate on a very amazing topic which is all about government sector versus private sector. And I'm in the favor of government sector. So first of all, before speaking my points, I would like to give answer to my some of intelligent opponents. So first of all, Ayan, Rihan, Shoaib and Saad, they all talk about and told about handsome salary. And then they told about us the salary of CEO. Brother, means you are saying that we get handsome salary in private job. And then you're telling the salary of CEO. What is the logic behind it? You didn't talk about the employers. What the hell are you talking? Then Rihan brother said that pension curriculum has been finished. Where? I didn't see. Where the curriculum has been finished. And then Shoaib and Rihan talk about American private sector. And then he talk about the salary of American doctor, that he get this much salary. And then he compared his salary from Indian doctor. Brother, if you are telling something about American, then compare it from America. The American salary private doctor is 70 lakh something, and the public sector is 81 lakh something. Then why are you like split? The thing is like that.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan, and today we are debating here on a topic that is about jobs, government jobs and private jobs. I personally don't like jobs, whether it's private or government. But if we look inside this, so somewhere I find that private jobs are better. First of all, I would like to mention about the journey. Whenever a person, I'm not first of all telling that government jobs are bad, there is nothing in government jobs. I favor that also. But somewhere private jobs are far better than government jobs. I would like to talk about journey of life. From where does it start? Most of the people, they start teaching to students where? In coachings or in schools. They don't go directly to the government school. Directly they don't start teaching in on big post. Like we have many examples in our academy and other in our area. Like Akram sir, earlier he used to teach in different academy. Then he got experience from there, so he started his own academy. Bilal sir, Saif sir, they used to teach here as a private employee. Okay, they were paid here. Then they got experience from here. Then they started their own academy. And it's not only about our academy, it's about our area also. His brother Yasin bhai, he used to teach in academy. There he was private employee, but later he became government teacher. How? Means did he become just like that directly? Of course not. First of all, he got experience. He got experience that how to teach to students, how to understand to the students what is the difficulties behind teaching. These all things from where we learn, of course, from private sector. It's not like that you have clear beard, then you will be given the job. And I would like to answer some opponents like Sophia. She mentioned about the respect, that if you get the government job, you are respected. But if you are private employee, you don't have any respect. Do you know guards, peons? What kind of respect do they have? Anyone insults them, whether it's parents, students, or unknown person, anyone insults them. This is the respect. Speak.
So as my Sham brother was talking about that this teacher, then teacher, and then they got government job. Yes, brother, this is the topic. They got government job and they are working hard for the sake of getting government job. They did the experience and they taught, they teach because they wanted to get government job. That's why. What is the reason behind it? Why are you arguing about it? And then I would like to give the answer to my one of opponent to Zunaid and Junaid. I don't know pronunciation. that some of principal, American principal and Oxford principal, they get this much money. Oh my God, wallahi. Brother, do you know about the salary of head of AIMS Delhi, MAMC, the IITians, the IIT Delhi, IIT Mumbai? Do you know the salary of them? They are much better than those. And I am not comparing India to the America. It is well-developed country and India is underdeveloping country. And you are directly comparing India and America, India and America. And then Rayyan brother, oh my brother, he says, my heart says, brother, we should listen our brain too. Okay, and in your 11th chapter in biology, we will learn in chapter 21 that whatever we do, it is just all about our brain. Doesn't say anything. And if you know the language of heart, please tell me, please teach me, because I just only know love dub, love dub. I don't know the language of heart. What your heart says, I don't know.
Okay. As you are telling that why people are working hard for just getting government job. Akram sir, look at Akram sir. Did he run after any government job? Or was he teaching in Regal Academy? Was he in partnership for just getting government job? Akram, do you know Bilal sir? Saif Ali sir? Do they, listen, do they teach to students just for the sake of getting government job? No, I want to be the teacher in Gaddewala too. Nothing like this. It does not happen like this. Second thing, they are mentioning about the stability and salary. Like if you have private job, at any time you can be fired. You came to, as Rihan brother explained it well, that whatever you will do, you will be explained. Nothing like this happens. It happens in government job also. Like if you are government teacher. So if two complaints are registered against you, you will be fired. Okay, does not matter you are at fault or not, but you will be fired. That's government. So according to this thing, we should say no. Government job is not good. This is fault of government. Of course not. Means there are some privacies and policies are available in both. Next thing I would like to mention about the salary. As they are just thinking, as my sister also told, that if you are private employee, you will get only 12,000. More than this you will not get. First, if we get 12,000 per month, per year, how much? Square of 12,000. Square of 12, tell. This is the price. Listen, 144 means 1,44,000 we will be earning. That's good. And it's not only about this. There are some jobs in which we earn a lot of money in private sector, like management consultant, software engineer, marketing management, human resource director, and air traffic controller. These posts, in these jobs, we get more than 10 lakh annual salary. What do you want more? Do you want crore rupees in just 1 year? As someone was mentioning, Aisha, I think, she mentioned that if I pass 12th class, from next year I will start teaching in a school and I will be paid only 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. What do you want? Means you have passed 12th class, after that you should get the package of 2 crore rupees. You should be the big chief of Mustafa. Of course not, it's not going to happen. You have to work hard for that.
So, as my brother talk about some of jobs, then we get this much money. So let me tell you mine too. So there are some agencies like ECA, European Space Energy Agency, and ISRO, NASA. There are some of agencies where scientists work and they are being paid more and higher money. And the money they are getting, that's called handsome money. Which you are getting, it is not handsome money. And one of my brothers said about, like, who is this? Rihan Ahmed. Apple